winter band concert. This group in front of you is the concert band, consisting of all freshmen at our freshman campus. What a great group, right? Yeah, show them some love. So that piece that you just heard is a very interesting piece piece. It's called Fingerprints by Woodrow. You'll see in the program that it's listed as what's called a Consortium premiere. And what that means basically is we, as a school, and we try to do this each year, as those of you that have been around know, like to do initiatives like this. We as a school bought into a consortium, a group of other like-minded schools to help make this piece come into existence. This is a brand new piece of music by composer Woodrow. She's based out of Texas, and yeah, this piece would not exist without our school, without our community, and because of that, we have this sort of like. Frankly, a period of exclusivity where just our school and the other schools that helped buy in for the commission process get to make that happen. So it's super cool. That piece has never been recorded before. I assume it's been performed at a couple schools here and there, but I would also be willing to bet that's the first time it's ever been played in the state of Illinois. So a really cool experience for them to get to play something that's never existed before. So yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, we love new music. This next piece that we'll hear, that tune had a lot of sort of, jazz influences, and this sort of like carries along that same thought but in a different vein. Another piece of music by a living modern composer, Kelijah Denton. This is called Color in the Gray. so that brings us to our last piece of this set, and it's a very different vibe, but I hope you enjoy it as much as these guys. This is very much proven to be their favorite piece of music from this cycle. I think like 100% unanimous would agree. It's this very interesting piece, and you know, this sort of program that we've curated. You know, a bunch of new music, and then a newer piece by a living composer that's based on something very old, Chant, Fantastique, which is inspired by the Symphony Fantastique by Hector Berlioz. Crazy piece of music, absolutely insane. Don't have time to tell you all about it right now. Just look it up. It's wild. It's absolutely bonkers. Basically, it's about the Chant Fantastique that you're about to hear takes this ancient like Catholic mass chant, the Dies Irae, which is about the Day of Wrath and the Last Judgment and the Book of Revelation and all that sort of really heavy stuff, and like transforms it and puts it through all these different versions and iterations. You're going to hear a lot that main melody a lot of times. That main melody is one of the most iconic melodies in all of music. Like, it's in The Lion King, it's in The Shining. It's like the common melody that means death in all media. So it's a really interesting piece with a lot of really interesting history behind it. So I hope you enjoy as much as these guys enjoyed. Chant Fantastique by McGinty.